Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The party leadership in the state, headed by my good self, was said to have been removed. You want to tell me clearly that there is nothing of such that can stand. Because on the 24th day of May 2018, there was a validly delivered judgment of the FCT High Court, presided over by Justice Musa J. That judgment of 24th May 2018, delivered by Honorable Justice O.A. Musa, Honorable Justice O.A. Musa, suit number FCT HC CV 0497/2017 clearly stated that the congresses through which this party leadership emerged was fit and proper and was in tandem with all the legal guidelines and regulations of the People's Democratic Party. And that being the case, that our executive was validly elected. So there is no court of superior jurisdiction that has in any way initiated this judgment that I read out now. No court of superior jurisdiction has in any way initiated this judgment. So for any court of coordinate jurisdiction to go into the issue of the leadership of the party in Anambra State, that is absolutely not within the confines of the law and cannot in any way be taken as anything of substance. That is the position of the party, that is the position of the law. Are there aspirants behind it? Definitely we'll find out with time. Our focus at this moment in time is to drive the processes leading to our primaries to ensure that it goes without any hitches. The teams that will conduct the 3 adult delegate congress are already on ground. We are waiting for the main panel and they will soon be on ground. The congresses are going on as scheduled and our primaries will go on as scheduled. The rest are sure that PDP this time around is determined to ensure that political merchants do not derail us and that they will not be allowed to make an umbrellas not to have the kind of leadership they deserve. We are focused and we are determined to ensure that we give Anambra State the kind of governor that will transform this state under the platform of the PDP.